Well, good morning, beautiful people. Chuck here in Udon Thani.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum. Got a skid, give me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free, like a bird in the sky. When he opens his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum. That skid, give me till I'm numb.
Had a great stay here in Udon. Leaving today, we've got to get back home. Me and Paige have a reservation tonight in the city of NakhonPhanom. Gonna meet some friends. Got to go pick up Mom. Mom has been ill the past few days. She says she's good this morning. We stayed an extra, I was gonna take her home, but we stayed an extra night so that a way she could rest the whole day and maybe regain her voice. So we're gonna go pick her up here at the Centaura. Stayed at the Old Inn. I really like the location of the Old Inn. It's pretty quiet, not very expensive. It's kind of a no thrills place. I think they have a little, not breakfast, but some snacks or something they give you. I've never been in there. Usually there's quite a few people in there in the morning, so I'm not really interested. But a lot of wonderful hotels. Me and Paige are actually coming back here in a few days and gonna stay at the Panerai one night. Gonna meet up with some old friends and have a great time. Me and Paige will go hopping around some of the spots that I normally go hang out and have fun. But that'll be our first stop on many stops on our next video. I really appreciate you guys watching the content. I had a good time playing golf and playing pool. I can't video playing pool because there's too much copyright music that I can't get around. And the problem with copyright isn't the monetization stuff. It's that certain people who own the music doesn't allow it to play on the internet. So the video will be banned. So that's why I can't play some of the music, because there's no sense in making the video if YouTube is just gonna, well, the copyright laws will just shut the video down. So that's why I don't video much out there. It's gonna be a great trip. We'll probably be gone at least 3 weeks. It's flooding up north. I don't know, it usually recedes pretty quick if it just doesn't continue to rain. So we'll just see how it goes. We've got to get back and plan where we're gonna stay. We're actually leaving right after my mother-in-law's birthday party here in the next few days. So a little bit of catching up to do back home, and then me and Paige are off on the road. Gonna pack the bikes. There's gonna be a few places that we're gonna go that are gonna be pretty cool to ride the little e-bikes around. And yeah, it's exciting stuff. I know you guys are ready for a travel vlog instead of the Udon stuff, the golf. I really enjoyed the golfing stuff. I share my life every day on video. A lot of people appreciate that, some don't, but that's just what we've been doing for the for the last 8 years. I'm going to ask you guys if you could subscribe to the channel or like and share the video. I would appreciate that. I've set a goal. 100,000 subscribers is reachable by the end of this year. It's the very end of August right now, so yeah, 100,000 subscribers for the No Time to Be Sad channel, everyday life channel, living as an expat overseas. Let's go get Mom. I've talked enough this morning. Got to get back to Paige. I'm missing her and my family. Good morning. Oh, I'm videoing in a random parking lot because it was so busy on the street this morning. It is Saturday morning and it is packed here in Udon. Well, here is Mom. Mom, what's the recovery level? How you feeling? How are you feeling?
Good morning.
Good morning. Feeling okay?
Almost talk.
Well, that is the most minimal I've seen you pack yet. Okay. Yeah, you did wonderful. จับคนข้าม
I got my voice back a little bit.
Okay. I was looking forward to a quiet ride. Nah, just kidding.
I don't have to talk.
Just kidding.
You don't know me without your brother. I was raised here in this living hell. You don't know my God in your world. But this all the time will tell. You telling me the things you wanna do for me. I ain't blind, but I don't like what I see. Taking it to the street. No need for arguing. Oh yeah. Send a message to my brother. You will find.
It's going to be a busy day today, so I'm not going to be showing you the whole road back home to NakhonPhanom unless we see something funny. So your trip was good, Mom? You enjoyed the bus ride? And she can't really talk right now, so I'm not going to ask her a whole lot of questions. But you can just shake your head if you want.
Yeah, the bus ride was great.
I had a thought this morning about we had planned on trying to get her a return bus back or going to the bus station to just kind of show her where she needs to go, but we can't do that right now. So I was thinking on this next couple of trips that I'm gonna go on, we can pass through Udon on the way back home. So if you want to time it right, you want to come back to Udon and you're feeling, I'm sure you'll be feeling better in the next couple of days. But you know, if you want to do it, you know, we can talk about it when we're on the road, and then we can just meet you on the way back from our trip and get you home, you know. If you want to come spend a week or something, or a few days.
Yeah, I can do stuff.
Yeah. And then when I'm back from these next few trips, I'll go back with you and we'll do show the bus on the way back home deal.
Sounds good.
But Mom enjoys Udon mainly because there's a few people that she likes to talk to, and she can walk out of her hotel and go eat at McDonald's, comfort foods. Not like Mom you didn't eat McDonald's every day back home. Mom lived in the country, so it was kind of not easy to. They finally built a McDonald's close to you, didn't they? Yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. Did you eat McDonald's a lot? Yeah. But when you're not around your favorite grocery store and you can go buy whatever the hell you want to buy, sometimes you miss certain things. My mom does pretty good cooking for herself. Mostly like spaghetti though, right?
Yeah.
Is there a certain dish that you miss that you haven't been able to get?
I'm like you, a chicken fried steak would be.
Yeah. I would think that you could get a piece of beef and hammer it down and make a chicken fried steak. You used to make chicken fried steak yourself.
And a beef hot dog would be wonderful.
A beef hot dog. You didn't like the chicken hot dog?
No.
where we live at, there's not many options for foreigner foods. If you lived in Bangkok, you want to move to Bangkok, you can have anything you want. You can have Taco Bell. I don't know how you'd get around in Bangkok. Yeah, and it's not healthy there. It's hot and smoky. Okay, let's go home.
Telling me the things you wanna do for me. I ain't blind, but that's all I wanna think is me. Taking it to the street. I don't need for oh yes. Taking it.
I met quite a few people in Udon. They were happy to hear that you came on a bus. I thought that was pretty neat. Well, actually, they didn't know that you were already here because videos are a little far behind. So, but a lot of times they ask me how you're doing in Thailand, and if do you want to go back home to America? When I hear that, I was like, what are you going to do back in America? So it would be a super challenge for you right now, I think, to try to get back into America, unless we all went together, and we'd have to, set you up something, and then I'd just leave you there. As I'm not going back. But
Well, people having like 2 and 3 jobs just to eat.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you could. America's big, right? So on the budget that you have and the money that you have, you could find something livable, right? You could find an area that's not expensive, and before you had your certain foods that you bought and you cooked. But for me, beyond that, it's the quality of life. Like, is that a good quality of life? Just surviving, In America, you would just be surviving, Here, you're like on a permanent holiday, Just got to get you, more fit to fly. But I was, I was like, why would you want to go back when you have this? As long as we're able to stay here, which I don't see why. I mean, anything could happen with immigration, They did a lot of crazy stuff in Malaysia, and immigration in Malaysia, Singapore, stuff like that. So sometimes even Vietnam, the government makes some rules that are not reachable for some people, But you never know with Thailand. Never know anywhere. But I just couldn't see you going back, back to America. Why you would want to? Have you ever thought about how to get back to, like, if you were, have you ever contemplated, like, what would I do, or this and that, since you've been here?
I don't have any options. Why would I even think?
Yeah. But I think, well, it sounds bad when you say that. We all have options, but we just need to figure out the best option, right? I think the health care here is, the cost of living is more realistic in Thailand, and it's better for us because, well, it's more realistic for us because we have American dollars. But what I mean by that is it's like things are not super highly inflated, Of course, Thai people struggle on the Thai income. Not all of them. There is a big middle class here. Not everybody lives in rural, farm country. I know a lot of farmers here that have a lot of money though. They just don't drive around in leased BMWs and live in a 5-bedroom home, But regardless, I think people are more happy here, and that's probably, for me, has been the most important thing, is just to not be so stressed out about everything. Just be happy.
Yeah. Definitely not stressed.
Yeah. You probably didn't have much stress though in America, did you?
Me?
Yeah.
I did.
What did you stress out the most about?
I had my house.
The house stressed you out? Like the house or the property or everything?
Both of them.
Yeah.
It was too much to do.
You didn't want to stay in like a community. I don't know. I think like old folks' home is not a good term, but you didn't want to stay in a community. Before we talked about that.
No, I just didn't want any property. I was done owning stuff.
Yeah.
It's just too much work.
Right.
It's nice to just live and
Yeah.
not have to constantly worry about things breaking and
Right.
mowing the lawn and all that nonsense.
Well, it's good that you were to get a good enough amount of money to live on now, from selling all that stuff. We were really shocked at the amount of money that she got from her property.
I know.
But that should last you, give you a decent quality of life. I try to tell Mom, if she wants to go to Centaur, just go. It's not that much money. You're not spending all your money. Just spend your money. Enjoy what you have. Don't worry about anything else. I don't want your money. Spend all. It would be perfect if it worked out where you could just spend your, you're down to your last few thousand baht, That might be a little stressful for you, but I'm just saying you're not like buying a motorbike once a week,
Guess my voice needs to come back out. At least I can say something. What are they doing?
It's a funeral, I think. I'm not sure. Or a wedding. I'm home. Cowgirl. You okay? She don't want to eat? I know you love me, kitty. That's why you want to be on my feet. When I step on your rib cage and crack it, you know I'll love you too, okay? Cowgum. Cowgum does not like that cat, period. When she was really small, the cat beat her up. Yeah. Is that gonna work?
That's very nice. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try to learn Thai one day. I don't know.
Em khăn cam chè này. Em có lẽ có cam bên này à. Bạn có mắt.
The little kitty beat him up.
Beat him up?
Yeah, the kid hiding in there, and then the kitty come in.
From their kitty?
No, the yellow kitty, the wild cat.
We have arrived at Mom's. got her some baked banana.
Big, huh?
Some banana.
Oh, banana. Wait, which one? This?
That basket too. Well, I didn't get my camera on fast enough, but there's a gigantic snake. You got that thing under your door or no?
Yeah, I put it there. Hopefully it's there.
Check this out. My mom can go fishing right now. Boy, the river is up high. Look at this right there. That's why there was a snake. We got nowhere to go.
No, the house flooding.
Holy crap. Wow.
Smell the mustiness.
Yeah, it's all of the houses are like ours is like that.
Wow. It wasn't up that much.
Well, he's got a long way to go to get up to the house, so we'll worry about that.
Yeah.
Well, at least we're not in Laos over there. They're underwater.
You think so?
Oh, they're a lot lower than here.
Chicken.
This is really happy.
All right, I'm going to do a sweep.
Why?
Make sure you don't have any other critters in here, okay?
Once upon a time, you dressed so fine. You threw the bums of dime in your prime. Didn't you? People can't say beware, doll. You're bound to fall. You thought they were all.
We've actually seen it higher than this. One time it almost come over. Like if it would have rained one more time, it'd have been over the street. Still got about maybe 15, 20 feet to go.
Laugh about everybody that was hanging out.
Well, we are in NakhonPhanom at the Fortune Riverview Hotel. It's our friend's favorite hotel. It is a good hotel. There's another spot, but he's leaving, that's why. It is full, got a market across the street. Let's get checked in. And I'm hungry. It's more like just a shopping, not really food, I think. Probably food. I'm sure there's food everywhere. This is a beautiful hotel. We've never stayed on this side. We were gonna stay by the swimming pool. It doesn't matter, we're not swimming, but it was kind of high. On a Saturday, things are usually booked pretty solid here in this town. Okay. My mom was saying her room was musty. Everything is musty in Thailand. Even this one, you walk in, so you turn the air on. Very slippery. Look at that. I see those, some of them houses over there look like they're underwater. Look, those houses are underwater over here. Wow, it's flowing pretty fast.
At to that side is come up to the road
Wow.
in the other side for the end because it's slow.
Yeah, I am hungry, but we'll go eat outside over here. Our friends are by the pool. I like this floor. I don't like it that it's slippery though, but everywhere is like that here. And this is all granite. And it is high. Wow. Okay, it's 5 o'clock.
ครึ่งเลย
Here's Matthew. I'll cut out the bottom, Matthew.
Hello. Well, thanks. Yeah. Get out the belly.
Lucy,
สวัสดีค่ะ
where'd you find this one?
น้ำเหนือครับน้ำเหนือครับ
Yeah.
เหนือสวัสดีครับด้วย
Yeah.
Did you guys just pick this one up somewhere in a hotel? or what?
Yeah.
From the river
It's 5 o'clock. I haven't seen my wife in, what, 8 days now?
8 days. Oh my God.
Yeah. I was able to tie my shoes and put my underwear on the correct way and everything.
Woo.
Yeah, sometimes.
อุ้ยเดี๋ยว
Go back to your home.
it's hurting นี่ไง
What is that? Ung ang?
I think it's งาง or frog I don't
It's
know
definitely a frog. Get the hell out of here.
no don't ThatPhanom now
That thing's walking like a damn, not like a frog, like a person.
it's pop now
I mean, like an animal. I walk like that sometimes when I'm drunk.
แม่อึ่งอ่างน้อย
If you guys stay out here, right along the river here in the front are some really cool looking, like market style, well, not really market style, just like mom and pop little restaurants all up and down there. One of these days, we'll take you there, but we're going to a restaurant over here. Actually, I have taken you guys there a couple times, but long videos way back in the queue.
ดูสิสิภาพมาใหม่สิภาพมา
I mean, way back in the,
วันก็มีไปนี่เดียวนี่
a long time ago.
มาเช่าตรงนี้กับพี่เตยโอเคเดี๋ยวพามาปั่นเอาให้
I need food.
บ้านเอาให้มันรักษาจักรยานไปเลยมือนี่เป็นยานเด้มือถึงสิเด็กกลับย่านบ่ได้เล่นโบโรไม่เล่นนี่
Babe, careful. Deadly snail.
อันนี้เป็นอึ่งอ่างแล้วตัวนี้มันตุ้งตุ้งแม่เห็นแม่บอกว่าโอ้น้าที่หลายทำไมเมื่อวานเอามาแถวบ้านนึ่งไปเลยหลายครั้ง
Yeah, those houses are underwater. You can see the roof of that one right there.
It is up from yesterday.
ว่านต้นไม้ต้นนี้ไงล่ะพี่พบ
เอาไปใช้หนัง
Yeah.
Those are beautiful.
How often do you see that? 3 macaws.
โอเควันนี้ก่อนไปแล้วเอาผู้ใส่เลย
Landing up
นี่
the light.
นี่เจ้าของนี่ผู้ชายนี่เป่าอันนี้
อ๋อที่เดินกันใส่เสื้อลายเหรอจ้ะแล้วจะโอนเลยแต่วันนี้จ้ะ
This little girl here ran up to Paige like, I want to play with you. Because she has the same kind of shirt. Like, oh, that's my friend.
เลยไหนก็เลย
Beautiful.
There's many
right, we're gonna do this Thai style. Got a bottle of Sangsong, and yeah, we'll probably. I know we'll finish this bottle off tonight because we got 4 people. They have to get another one actually.
I hope not.
Yeah, no kidding. You want a diet?
ต้มยำไก่ชิคเก้นชิคเก้น
All right, now we got a table full of food. I don't know if that's mine or not. It doesn't look like what was on the menu, but it looks good. What is that? Frog?
Beef.
It looks like beef.
เนื้อ
Yeah.
ผัดโหระพา
Still
ไม่
growing.
คั่วเมาจิ้มดูจิ้มกินอ๋อสามสวยไว้จะไปขวัญหัวโอเคจะไปทำมอเตอร์ไซค์
Is this like an awesome picture right here? Yeah. That's awesome.
I know, where's your mom?
Okay, well, it's a full moon tonight. Yeah, it's a big moon. Oh shit, what was that? You should have went first. You could have got that snail I just smashed. Yeah. Well, we're gonna go to the market and walk around. Happiness is all around. I guess you want a picture?
Sure.
I've never looked up in here. That's pretty cool. Actually, that's pretty neat with the wood. Okay. We're going to the market.
I better split the weight up. I'll split it. I sit on one side.
So my father-in-law built this. It'll make it.
Oh, it'll make it. Yeah, this is a good one.
If we don't get run over. Well, let's go walk off the whiskey.
Yeah. Before we have more whiskey?
We might make a beer stop.
Oh, it's funny.
Well, it is 8:16. Quiet night. Oh, we could have just drove through here.
Yeah, we could have.
I guarantee Paige will be in there in just any moment now.
Yeah, it's their shop.
You need some beer snack?
ใช่ประเด็นเลย
Ice cream. I want ice cream. There's a shirt that'll fit you right there.
This is a big one. I'm not sure if that's my kind of shirt, though.
It's even got some tongue rings.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a little different.
That
yeah.
would be a good. Maybe I should get that for Daz. That'd be a good shirt for Daz.
They call it a 3X, but I swear that's bigger than a 3X.
That's a big 3X.
That's a big 3X.
Babe,
Huh?
you need to go to temple, Chinese temple.
It's gonna be like a big celebration on the Chinese New Year.
Yeah.
Vietnamese.
All of this is traditional Thai dessert, everything. Very authentic.
สวัสดีครับ
Sawasdee krap. You see all that?
ทานเลยหรือกลับบ้านดีครับ
มีวันสี35 บาทมีวันสังขยาไหมเนี่ย
Oh.
หม้อแกงด้วยนะคะ
เอาหม้อแกงเรือปุ๊บ
หม้อแกงจะ40 บาทนะคะ
ครับโอเคมาเลยช่วยแนะนำร้านให้หน่อยครับ
Sorry, can I help you choose some snacks? Some like this? Would you like to eat? Like sweet or like about taste?
Where did you learn how to speak English?
I learned with my mom.
Oh, very good, very good, very good.
Will you just try?
Oh, okay.
มีวันนี้นี่
Just
Wait.
that.
What?
ไม่จะกินไหมจะกินให้จะเอา
All right, we got a couple of desserts.
Yeah, I like donuts.
Aloy, aloy, aloy. Oh my God, look at that.
นิ่ม
I've had that. That's good too. Now it's a breakdance court. Okay.
ทำอะไรไหมครับไส้กรอกปีเป็นปีเนาะคนสบายเนาะแถมคนป้อนต่างหาก
แม่นำไปยืนอยู่ค่ะ
No
I didn't stop here. Paige did.
ฮะน่าอร่อย อันนี้ส้มส้ม
ส้มค่ะ40 300จะทางนี้รวมได้ส้ม
they will eat it
These are sugar-free, calorie-free, healthy
Oh, sure. Yeah, they look healthy to me.
alternative means of food.
But they look really good with a cup of coffee.
look at bun it's
Relax.
look like a how
Look at this corn.
แก้วแดงนี่ก็ใส่เยอะกว่านี้แก้วไม่ไป
Yeah, this is quite expensive.
Okay. Alright guys, gonna end the video. We are back in the room. I just spent 10 minutes trying to figure out how to turn that light on before I put my glasses on and realized it was like a fire. Like, damn it!
What?
I was just like, I can't turn the damn light on. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Most important thing for me is that you did enjoy the video enough to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, maybe like and share the video. I would really appreciate that. We will have a good time tomorrow and I will bring you along, I promise. No golf for a long time, okay? Maybe. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Sunday fun day tomorrow. Thai dessert tonight. You're gonna have that dessert or that dessert?
I have this and that.
Okay.